Welcome back to the Rocket $1 Million System. This is Buster, and I want to show you how you can use this to instantly boost your trading profits. I'm just going to get right into the video. We're going to start with the AMC chart. Okay, we had an amazing win with this. I and a lot of other traders got into this trade today, and I want to show you exactly why we got in. Okay, there's 5 rules to using this $1 million system. That's how simple it is. 5 rules. Okay, I'm going to go over them really quickly for you guys. So the first thing we need is a green rocket stochastic background. And we have that here. Cool. Rule 2, green line above the red line. Check. Rule 2 is done. Rule 3, the green line and the red line both need to be below the 50% line, which is right here. Done. We're already more than halfway done now. The 4th rule now. We need 3 rocket trend meter bars, and we have them. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, the 5th and final rule states we need a rocket volume bar to confirm this move. And is it confirming? Is it above the line? Yes, it is. That's your all systems go to take this trade confidently, okay? Now, let's look at this. Let's go over here, select long position because this is a long play. You would have gotten in right around here, okay? Now, before you even look at where take profit is, let's go and look for our stop loss. So you want to go 7 candles back of your entry. So let's go. Let's count it. 7 candles back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the lowest point in those 7 candles? It's right around here, right? But I like to go just a little bit below. And the reason I do that is, for stop hunts. So just in case price likes to, stop hunt around here, I like to be just a little bit outside of that. Now, let's do our take profit. Take profit, we like to do a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. That's the sweet spot. So we have a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. And guys, this is the money management. Okay, it's built into this system so that you don't have to be confused and worried. Where do you put your stop loss? Where do you put your take profits? It's that simple. Now that we have that done, see how price came when we entered here and just blew this thing out of the water. Okay, it went beyond our take profit, and that's okay. You're not going to take 100% of this move. Look at this. 15.67% in the span of a few hours is amazing, and we were able to catch this move with the Rocket $1 Million System. You don't have to catch the entire move, right? Let's calculate this out. So this went up maybe about what? Let me see, 29%ish, 28%. We don't have to catch the entire move. We caught about what? 16, 15% of that move? Perfect. Okay, let's not get too greedy here. So our traders were able to catch that move with this system, and that's just one of our wins we had today. Let me show you the next trade. So now I'm going to go into a Forex play that I got into today. The previous thing we were looking at was a stock, and that's the beautiful thing with this system, is that you can not only just trade one market, you can trade all the different markets that are out there to your disposal, right? Because let's say, for example, crypto, it can be, pretty volatile, and then the next moment it can be pretty dead. When crypto is dead, for example, I like to go into Forex, or I like to go into stocks, and that's how you continuously win with this thing, right? Because things never get boring. There's always a different market to trade. Let's go over where I got into this short play and where the rules presented themselves. Now, here are the rules on the screen for a short position. We need a red rocket stochastic background. That's rule 1. That's check. Rule 2, we need the red line over the green line. Rule 2 is good to go now. Rule 3 says we need the red line above the green line, but now above the 50%. And that's what happened here, okay? The next rule, we need 3 red bars on the rocket trend meter. Boom. And now the 5th and final rule, the rocket volume has to confirm. And is it confirming? Of course it is. It's blasting through this thing. Let's go over and show you where you would have gotten in. Okay, would have gotten at this candle right here. Stop loss needs to be 7 candles back, the highest point. Highest point seems to be about here, past 7 candles. I like to go a little bit above. Okay, and then you can go ahead and take a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, and then you slide it till it says 2. You stop right there. Okay. All right, now let's take our GAN box and put it right there where you got in, and then put it to the 100% mark. All right, boom. Now, guys, here's what you want to do. You want to put an alert for when it hits the 50% of your mark. So you put an alert right at the 50 mark, okay, set an alert. And the reason you want to do that is in case anything happens, you want to, so let's say you're at the 50% of your target, you want to move your stop loss that's back over here. You want to move it to either break even or move it to the 25% line, okay? So this didn't touch the 50% line yet, okay? So you wouldn't have got triggered, and then it went up, okay? Went up, and then it came right back down, okay? And then it hit your full take profit. And guess what, guys? It also gave you another short play here as well. Now, obviously, I wouldn't have gotten into 2 different short plays on the same thing. I wouldn't have doubled my risk, but that just gives you extra confirmation. Or let's just say you missed this move in the first place. You could have gotten in here too. It's generous in the fact that it would have gotten you in here and it would have gotten you in here as well, okay? And you can even measure that move as well. So let's go over here. I didn't get in over here, but I did get in here. So let's measure this move out, okay, on the second short. This would have gotten you in roughly around here, and that would have netted you around 28 pips. Not bad. So you either could have gotten in here for the short, or you could have gotten in here. It was generous enough to give you both. Now, guys, this system is in the first comment you see down below. Go ahead and click on it and grab this system. I will get you access relatively soon. I'm currently out in Dubai at the moment, which explains why there have been fewer uploads this week, but I'm more settled in now, so expect more uploads onto this channel. And whatever you want to see, comment them down below, and I will make sure I put out a video responding to it or making a video around that. And I will see you guys in the next upload. I want you guys to hit your financial goals this year, and I know you can achieve them with this $1 million system. Take care, my friends. I'll see you soon.